Yuwaya Ngarra-li is a community-led partnership between UNSW and the Dharawal Elders Group in Walgett in far northwest New South Wales. We work together on projects led by the Dharawal Elders Group that aim to reduce Aboriginal children and young people's contact with the criminal justice system, address fines debt, improve food and water security and care for country, and build Aboriginal community capabilities and control. Over the past 10 years, the partnership has grown into a multidisciplinary whole-of-university partnership involving academic and professional staff and students working on issues of priority to the Walgett community and guided by cultural protocols.
It's not just, students coming out here saying, we think you need this. No, they listen to community and they take it back and take action and get the job done. And I think that's the benefit for, the community is that they listen to what the community want and get it done.
What they learn or take away from Walgett, we hope they use that in other Aboriginal communities that they go and work in. And the biggest thing is listening to what we've got to say and not coming in with their ideas, but really concentrating on what that community needs.
The most important ingredients for community engaged work are shared values, respect and trust. We developed core principles with the Dharawal Elders Group to guide our collaboration, like being community-led, strengths-based and culturally connected. Self-determination is critical given the long history of devaluing Indigenous knowledges and of researchers working in Aboriginal communities in extractive and harmful ways.
Over the years, universities come and go in Walgett, collect a lot of information, but never come back and give us a report on the next steps, what's going to happen.
Aboriginal community-controlled organisations hold decades of experience and accountability to the communities that they serve, and that can be so valuable for impactful community-engaged research and education. My tip for those interested in working in community-engaged partnerships is to be open to truly listening to and learning from the knowledge shared with you from your community partners.
One of the challenges of community-engaged collaboration is balancing the long-term goals with new priorities as they emerge and that more reactive work. The work that our community partner does is really hard work day to day, and it can sometimes feel like you're not progressing towards that long-term vision for change. So my tip is to find those moments together and celebrate the wins and tell the stories about the outcomes that matter to the community partner.
Yuwaya Ngarra-li is providing an evidence-based model of community partnership that is genuinely centering Aboriginal community rights and justice. This partnership has contributed to hundreds of outcomes in recent years, including addressing more than $500,000 worth of fine debt and providing thousands of litres of safe drinking water for the whole Walgett community.
Seeing all the things that progressed and have been achieved here in Walgett, it's great to see.
I see this partnership, I see it as a really great thing for our community.